How to delete your eBay account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your eBay account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete your eBay account, simply open up your eBay application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once here, you want to simply tap on My eBay option at the bottom of your screen. Once you're here, so you can see various options. You want to scroll down and under account you shall see the option that says help. So you want to simply tap on help option there and you shall be taken to help and contact page. Now once you're on this page, what you can do is you can see search eBay help. On the search bar you can simply search in for close account. So I'll just type in close here and it should pop up here. So as you can see, closing your account has popped up. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you shall get to closing your account page. Here you'll be able to read what data you'll lose if you close your account. Since you want to close your account, simply scroll down below and you should find the close account option here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it should take you to the close account page here. Then you want to select the category why you are leaving. So you can see select a category. You can select any reason. So I'll just select personal reason. Then you can choose any of the reason here. Check this I want to close my eBay account option, then tap on submit and you'll be able to delete it. So this is how you can delete your eBay account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.